Hello and welcome to Making a Sandwich. This is called How to Make Soft-Boiled Egg Sandwiches. First thing you do is you open up this jar of mayonnaise and you spread it. Now you do the soft-boiled egg and peel it and you put into the silver cup.
So what are they? Hard or soft? Hard?
Depends, yes.
Well, it looks hard.
Yeah, it looks hard, yes.
Yeah.
Thanks. Now you slice them. Oh, they're soft. They're soft.
Let me see. Let me see. Is it soft? No. That's not soft. Soft means it's runny.
Well, it's
The
half
yolk
soft.
is runny.
It's half and half, but
Yeah.
I consider them soft still.
Okay. But
Thanks.
soft is like a runny yolk.
I understand. Thank you.
Just to let you know.
Okay. So you peel this egg and go ahead and you'll still have to peel it and you have to peel it all until the egg is white. Now you put the sandwiches together.
I thought you were going to record it.
It is. And now this is how you make soft-boiled egg sandwiches. Enjoy, eat it, and have fun with it. Have a great